Alright, you guys. So... Oh. Can you see that? That is a deer. Right there. Look at him. Or her. It. Whatever. So, I have called it a day. Working today. Somebody's setting off fireworks. 4th of July tomorrow. Anyway, I'm jumping into this video because I am currently editing this video and jumping in just to say, you guys, if you haven't seen my social, Instagram, Facebook, even the community page on my YouTube, I shared that I won the pet challenge. So cool. In case you were watching that video and you were wondering who won, it was your girl, Sarah. So anyway, here is a picture of what I did, and I got the honor of sharing that title with Reinvented by Maria. She also won, and this is what she did, which was so cool, and also a cat condo for a friend. Anyway, let's get back into this week's video. This is going to be a pretty straightforward piece. It's a pretty straightforward video. There are some repairs that I have to do to this, but I am going to be fixing, cleaning, sanding, priming. A client dropped this off and they would like it painted. Can you see that? In iron ore by Valspar in their cabinet paint. So it is going to need a fair bit of prep. There are some pieces on it that are broken, so I'm going to stop rambling and let's just get into it. Popping in to say a massive thank you to Wendy and Kay, who gave me a super thanks and bought me a couple of coffees this week. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. That's after one rinse. Can you see that? How gross is that? Alrighty, the nails come out. I am going to try and hammer it back in, but I'm going to using STARBOND in clear medium with the accelerator. Have a 10% discount code store-wide, you guys, down in the description. That's an affiliate link, so if you use that link, that helps me out a little bit while you buy glue that you need. So win-win, I say. Okay, spray that and then spray the accelerator on it. Hold it firm for a couple of seconds and she's good. Okay, but like I said, I am going to attempt to nail it. That'll be fun. Oh, well, that was a lot easier than I thought. You see in there, that is not meant to be like that. There's a groove right here where it slips into, and it's supposed to slip into the groove at the back as well, but she's come out. So let's see if I can get it back in. Oh. Play with it. Right, gluing this as well so it doesn't come back out again. Okay, so I fixed this last night. I'll drop the footage in now. Okay, so I took this drawer out and the sides, both sides, fell off. They just need to be re-glued. But if you also notice, I don't know what, honestly, I don't know what this is because, well, let me show you what I mean by that. Here is one of the drawers and they've got this backing on it, okay? And the other drawer has like 1/4-inch ply at the back and it's dovetailed. It looks to me like they've possibly, oh, sorry. For I don't know what reason, they've cut the drawer down and the back was missing. Do you see that? And they're definitely the same make fronts. Look at that, they're the same. And also, here's another weird thing. Remember my music cabinet, the bright orange one that I did? And how the front drawers were different? Well, these are the same drawers. Okay, it's got a mechanic here. Anyway, that's none of my business. I'm gonna glue the sides back on and nail that backing back where it was. Okay. Get out of the way. Okay. Using tight bond, the quick and thick, because a screw used to be in there, but it's not there now because I imagine it fell out because it was too loose. And you know my trick when I have a loose screw. That's a funny saying. Okay, sorry. I'll fill it with glue and stick sticks in it. Such a simple trick, but it does the job, right? I'm filling the hole that is way too big with wood particles that the wood screw will screw back into and fill out the hole. Sorry. Right, not loosey-goosey anymore. Okay, do you see this? This is backer board. It is, what is that? It's like, I don't know, very thin. I don't know the measurement, but it's thin. It's not the same as this. And I don't think it's original to the piece, let's be real. So, this board is more like what's on the other ones. Here, I'll show you. This is one of the other drawers. Put it up on its side. This is the back. Okay, so I'm going to reconstruct the back. I'm not going to destroy this because if I can't reconstruct the back and make it look good, then I'll just put this back on. But I think I might be able to. Okay. Look at that. You can see right down there, this middle slide is missing. This was the side of a bit of the trim of the drawer we just fixed. It is the same height as the drawer slides. I just need to measure the width and the length, and I can trim this up with my table saw and pop it in there and replace it. 3/4. Okay. Yes. Glue and nail that, and then I'm done for the night. Okay. So lightly stuffing. Okay, I'm using the Valspar stain blocking primer. Going to be rolling it on. This is a really good primer. I've had good experiences with it and I really like it. So I'll be using it today underneath the cabinet paint. That's almost dry already because it's just so blinking hot in here. But what I'm going to do is let that dry, lightly sand it. Actually, I'm going to let it dry, wood fill all the spots that I can see that need wood filling. Once the wood fill dries, I'll lightly scuff sand that, give it a second coat, and then we can get to the colour. So this just so we don't see lines, cracks, all that sort of thing. Alright, see you tomorrow. Okay, one more thing before I go to bed. Minwax in Colonial Maple. It's very similar, has red tones. I've already got it. I have a little bit left in my jar. I think it's going to be red enough for this piece. Yeah, perfect. Okay, you guys, when was it? Oh, the chest that, sorry for that really loud clap. The chest that I did from Habitat for Humanity. That day I went looking for an easy piece. I couldn't find an easy piece, but an easy piece found me. This is crazy. This cabinet came to me from, if you remember the light green piece that I did before Christmas. That client who found me on Facebook, she liked the pieces I had, but she had her own dresser. She works with a lady, a young lady that does interior design, and they reached out to me and asked if they could drop off a dresser, and I just painted. That's all I needed to do. Well, when I got the dresser, it needed more than just painting. There was some repairs that needed doing, and I didn't want to send it back to them just painted. I fixed a few of the little things because they were relatively little things to fix, and I had all the stuff here to do it, so it didn't cost me anything extra. But it was that. It was an easy piece, the easy piece that I was looking for because just to break up all of these hard pieces. And not only that, I got to try something that I've been wanting to try for ages. Again, this is the cabinet and furniture oil enriched enamel that is actually water-based cleaner. I don't know how they do that magic. Oil and water usually don't mix, but this guy is water and soap cleanup, so yes, I am going to get it everywhere, I can already tell. Will spray painting replace painting by brush? Probably not. I really love painting by brush. I find it very therapeutic and I like to do that. And not only that, Debbie's new brushes, with DIY paint, you get the smoothest finish. It is beautiful. So you can, with the DIY paint, get a textured finish if you use more of a coarse bristle brush, or those new brushes are Debbie's. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful. Anyway, I am grateful for this easy piece. What am I also grateful for? You guys. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for sticking with me, watching this far in the video. You know, I say it, you guys are my people who watch this far in the video without clicking out early or skipping through. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video and you want more content like this, stick around, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and of course, you know the drill, you'll get notified when I upload videos. If you thought that this video gave you some entertainment, some, what do they call? Education. No, not education. Edutainment. Edutainment, entertainment, and education sort of meshed in together. Hit that thumbs up and that helps my little channel go bumping around in YouTube land. So, as always, let me know in the comments below, have you guys ever tried spraying, and would you? And if you are interested, I'm going to link the sprayer that I use and that tent below down in the description, like I always do. Everything that I used, even the paint, I'll put the name of the paint down in the description. Here is the before. Remember what it looked like. It was fine, plain Jane, nothing terribly wrong with it on the outside, couple of fixes on the inside. And here she is today. I put these gold knobs on. They were a gift from my Amazon wish list. I thanked them a little while ago, but thank you very much again. I'm only temporarily putting these on because the client has their own and didn't drop them off with me, so I couldn't have sexy aftershots with no pulls. So I'm putting my own pulls on here and I will be taking them off after this video. Alright you guys, I love you to pieces. Thank you so much for watching along, and just as a reminder, I am doing a video every other week, so there's no video this coming Saturday. Love you to pieces. Bye guys. See ya. If you enjoyed this video and you feel like binge watching just a couple more videos of mine, you can check out this playlist, and I will see you guys next time.